Hi there, my name is Max Curzon-Price from Bar Supernova. Today we're making you my cocktail, Hive Mind. It's a great interpretation on a classic radler, if you will. Nice way to mix up having an afternoon beer with something a little brighter and fresher. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is ice up your glass, keep it cold. My preference is always to keep your glassware in the freezer prior to mixing any drinks. Super simple build in the glass cocktail. We're gonna start off with 2 ounces of a fresh grapefruit juice. You can use store-bought. I personally prefer the brightness and acidity that you're gonna find on freshly squeezed. Fresh is always best. Next up, we're gonna do a little bit of a honey syrup. Again, you can use any sort of honey. This is in a 1-to-1 ratio, so boiling water mixed by weight with the same amount of honey. I personally like to use something local and fresher. From there, we're gonna mix this in with an IPA. You can use something a bit juicier, a bit hoppier, something with a higher IBU. BCL has heaps of options for you to choose from. I like to use Parallel 49's Trash Panda. I love the work that they do. There's a little bit of residual bitterness, but it pairs really, really nicely with grapefruit. Grapefruit and hops, match made in heaven. So top this guy off. I call for about 3 ounces, generally speaking, but this doesn't take much more than that. Now we're just gonna give that a wee stir to incorporate all your ingredients. Your honey's naturally gonna want to sit on the bottom. Make sure you can see it all well incorporated throughout the drink. We're gonna garnish with a grapefruit twist. You can either use just a swath like this, or if you're feeling fancy for your friends, just trim up the sides, even it out, and make a nice little shape, like this. Now these guys are packed full of oils, which is loads of aroma, loads of flavor. So if you ever see your bartenders doing this behind the bar, it's an expression of oils all over, which is a nice way to finish it off. Give it a twist, and you're done. That's Hive Mind. You can pick up your favorite IPA or Parallel 49's Trash Panda from your local BCL.